Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to increase your Telegram group members. You will do this very easy and very fast and very cheap also. Visit followers.vip, you will find the link on the video description. This website will open. It is a very easy steps. If you don't have account, just click sign up to create account. All what you need is just fill this very easy form. Here the username, your email and password, and confirm your password again. Check I'm not a robot and click sign up. After you register, log in your account. This is the main control panel. Here you will find many of services about social media like Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. Okay, in this video we will talk only about the Telegram members, how to increase it. First, you need some balance. Of course, when you open an account, you don't have any balance. Your balance will be zero. How to add some balance, for example, $10. Click here, add funds, and in the amount, type here the amount you want to fund. For example, $10, and click pay. After that, select the currency, for example, USDT, and select the network, for example, Binance Smart Chain Network, BIP20, and click proceed to the payment. Here the payment page. Just scan this QR code and send it to this wallet 9.99 USDT, or copy the wallet address and send it to this wallet this amount of USDT. After the payment completed, you will redirect again back to your account on followers.vip. We back again, but your funds already has been added automatically after payment. Okay, let's start. First, you will choose the category. Here from the category, you will find many of services about many social networks. Just select Telegram members. And here in the services, you will find many of the services about the Telegram members. I prefer to choose the first one. Okay, this means 1,000 of members will cost me $1.7. Okay, select this one, and here in the link type your group link like that. Okay, and here type the quantity, how many users or how many members you want to buy. For example, 10,000. The 10,000 will cost me $17, and click submit. If you have enough balance, of course, the order will take place. Just wait a few hours, you will receive 10,000 of members. Thanks for watching, and I wish you good luck for all.